Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, we are a minimalist family who is living big with less. And today I have an epic real life clean with me. We had a rough start to the morning. I accidentally overslept and then that just put us a little bit behind and we had to be at school early. So there was a lot of things going on. Also, tomorrow, my real estate are coming to do a rental house inspection. And although I know my house probably on any given day, is probably fine for them to see that we're not wrecking the place, but I do really like to have it looking really nice for them to come and make sure everything is super duper clean. And I also just have a lot of random jobs to do today. So I thought I'll take you along with me. The reason I make so many cleaning videos is because I personally think that unless you see how minimalism works, how there's still mess, but it's quicker to clean up or it's quicker to get things organized and you can see what you have and you can find what you need, that is the biggest selling point for minimalism for me. And so that's why I like to take you along with me and show you how I do it, so that if you are inspired to do minimalism, or if you are a minimalist, you want to feel like you're cleaning along with a friend, join me as we get cleaning today.
Lost again, going back around, dreaming of a time when I get things right. Lost in the shadows of a million stars, shouldn't they enlighten my near and far?
Whenever I am about to start a whole heap of cleaning, I really like to clear off my benches first. I think one of the big keys for minimalism is to get things to their home and give every item a home. That way you can clear off your benches and you'll have a nice clear space to start off with.
Telling me I will be fine. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart.
A little frugal tip, particularly if you still have little ones using shampoo and conditioner in your house, what I do is I buy these large bottles with a pump on top and then I just fill them up with whatever is on sale. That way I can still get the cheap shampoo and conditioner, or the ones that I think are a great deal, whilst still being able to use a pump, which means they use way less shampoo and conditioner.
Halfway hard. Sing to me if I lose my voice. Set a better route if I lose my course. Count on my company and
My kids are really good at picking up their toys and putting their stuff away before we go out, but about once a week what I like to do is just pull out their toy baskets and their craft baskets and get everything just put back in the correct spot. It also gives me an opportunity to get rid of anything that may be broken or doesn't belong there, and it just keeps this area really organized all the time.
Mine.
Something I find really helpful, especially if I'm feeling a little undermotivated, is to group some jobs together. So for example, at the moment I am taking our recycling out while my laminator is heating up. It's kind of like a beat the clock scenario, but it means I'm kind of getting two things done at the same time.
As I'm staying close to the mirror, a lock of...
If you have toddlers, I highly recommend diluting your soap a little bit with some water. It makes it much easier for them to rinse their hands off, and you get the benefit of saving money.
She was a believer. Sometimes
I absolutely love my Norwex body cloths, and when I'm cleaning I like to just boil them while I'm working. It just helps to keep them really clean and fresh.
everything will change in time. Love changes every...
One thing I like to do anytime I have boiled water is just, if I've got some left over, I pour it down our kitchen sink. I find this eliminates any odors and it's super quick and simple to do.
I see in you my mother's eyes, and I lay your head to my shoulder. A lock of gold, a secret smile. I will tell you when you get older. A place
As you can see, my toddler has just woken up from his nap, and I know for him, during this period after waking up, he loves to have a little snuggle, and this is the perfect time for me to answer some comments or book some appointments so I can still sit there and cuddle him but also be productive at the same time.
and everything will change in time. Love changes.
Oh my days, guys, this laundry looks like a bomb has gone off in there because I had laundry everywhere to be sorted and to be done. So my laundry room was a real priority for this day. Not only did I want to get all the laundry done, but I also wanted to organize these top cabinets. Let's not even talk about how tiny I am, the fact that I have to get up and stand on my sink to reach. I'm just moving this inside shelf up a little bit higher so that all my spray bottles will fit in. And I'm also moving out anything from this cupboard that I'm not using on a day-to-day basis so that all the things that I do use all the time are easy to grab, and the things that I don't need there can go into a cupboard I don't access as regularly.
Looking for my mother's eyes as I'm staying close to the mirror. We're running out of light. Time is changing day to night. Lines are fading out, and we're dancing in the park. Nothing's wrong with when I start, 'cause you look better in the dark. Oh, counting days I made.
On this particular day, I had taken all of the girls' bedding off their bed and washed it, and so now I'm just putting their room back together. The girls do a great job of keeping this fairly under control, but whenever I've washed all the sheets, I just like to go through and give it a really good once over. This just means that anything that's getting caught under beds, or maybe things that don't occur to kids to clean up, get done when I'm going through their rooms.
I'm just unknown, and you're not that someone who will find my heart and bring peace to my mind. So move on, 'cause I will find the way on my own. Now life is happening, and I don't wanna miss a thing. Letting go is not a sin. Oh, counting days, I made it through without someone like you. We're running out of light. Time is changing day to night, and you keep asking why. I'm out of control. My body and my soul don't wanna be whole. not that someone who will find my heart and breathe.
Like I mentioned earlier in this video, we actually had a rental inspection this week, and so I wanted to make sure that all of our kitchen cabinets had been wiped over and that there was no fingerprints, because obviously they have no handles, so they do get fingerprints on them quite regularly. One of my favorite ways to get rid of those fingerprints or smudges is to use a microfiber cloth followed by a window cloth. It just gets rid of any smudges or fingerprints.
'Cause I will find the way on my own. 'Cause I am out of control. My body and my soul don't wanna be whole. I don't wanna be for you. I'm just unknown, and you're not that someone who will find my heart and bring peace to my mind. To move on, oh, 'cause I will find the way.
This is actually late in the afternoon, and anytime I get out Play-Doh, I usually let it go the whole day so that we can get a lot of use out of it. All the kids have had a turn playing with it, and now that it's late in the afternoon, I'm just going to vacuum up all the little Play-Doh pieces and clean up this area so it's ready and reset for the next day.
But you've kept me far away from my focus, and to my heart I cannot lie. Stars, made of stars, up above, made to fall. Stars, counting stars, and they guide me through the dark. Lonely days left in despair, air is getting heavier, but I do my best to breathe.
If you are like me and have either a glass shower screen or a glass bath and shower, you probably know that these are not the easiest things to keep clean, and I think I have tried every product out there on the market, and the thing that I find that works best is a warm microfiber cloth. So I take it with hot water, as hot as I can take it in my hand, and then I use a Norwex window cloth to make sure it gets rid of any watermarks. It also gets rid of any streaks on the window screens themselves, and it leaves it beautiful using absolutely no chemicals. I'll leave that linked down below if you're interested.
And you're no longer on my mind. Warming sun, and my life's just begun. Sun, under the sun.
I use the same method of the microfiber cloth and the Norwex window cloth on my mirrors, and I have a lot of mirrors in my house because all of our other bedrooms have mirrored doors, so I use this almost every day, and it works just as well on mirrors as it does on the glass shower doors.
And take the long way home. Lonely days left in despair, air is getting heavier, but I do my best to breathe. But I do my best to breathe.
And it wouldn't be a clean with me if I didn't include a few after shots. It doesn't always look like this, but I am happy that we can get it back to this level really quickly. So guys, I hope you like this video. I would love to chat with you down in the comments. If you're new here, we would absolutely love you to have you subscribe and join our YouTube family. Here are some other videos we think you might like, and I will catch you guys in the next one.